Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at barium and private wells. We're going to go into what barium is and how do you know if it's an issue. So barium is a natural element found in rocks deep underground in the environment. Barium is found as barium compounds joined to other elements like sulfur, carbon, and oxygen, and compounds used in the oil and gas industry. And it can also be found in paint, bricks, ceramic glass, and rubber. Now, how does it get into your well water? Well, barium compounds can enter your well water from erosion of rocks underground. Barium can also enter groundwater from industrial practices. And if a barium compound is easily soluble or dissolves in water, it's more likely to be found in well water, acidic water with low pH, and it can make barium compounds more soluble. Now, is this an issue? How can it affect your health? So barium is actually not considered an essential element, meaning your body does not require it. Unlike iron or copper, which your body needs a little bit, this isn't required. The issue with barium is, like other heavy metals, you can't see it, you can't smell it, you cannot taste it. You don't know if it's in your water by looking at it either. And drinking high levels of barium over short periods of time can lead to vomiting, stomach cramps, diarrhea, difficulty breathing, and changes in blood pressure. Also, higher levels of barium can cause changes in heart rhythm, paralysis, or even death. Drinking barium over long periods may lead to kidney damage, weight loss, and death. And this is why this is particularly concerning, because it's not an essential element. It could be in your water. You can't taste it, you can't smell it, you can't see it, and you're drinking it over long periods of time, and it could cause potential damages to your kidney or other problems. So what level of barium should I be concerned about? Taking a look at developed groundwater standards, 0.07 milligrams of barium per liter of water. Groundwater standards are developed to protect public health, and the standard was developed in 2013. The U.S. EPA developed a public drinking water standard of 2 milligrams per liter. Public drinking water standards are based on public health and cost of treatment, testing at large utilities, and the standard was developed in 1993 and validated in 2017. So what do you do if your barium levels are high? You can do a few things to treat it. You can install a treatment system to reduce the levels of barium in your private well. Treatment systems that reduce the levels of barium in your well water include caution exchange, also known as water softener, distillation, and reverse osmosis. And you can also reduce your exposure by using bottled water or connecting to a public water supply if possible. But how do you actually test it? Well, you have to use a certified lab for your well water, and it's recommended to do it every 2 years as part of the inorganic panel screen. And it's a good idea to also talk to your county health department to assist you as well. So those are some important facts about barium in your well water. Keep in mind that you could be drinking it over a long period of time. You're not aware of it because the five senses cannot pick it up, and it can lead to some pretty bad health ramifications over the long term. That's why it's always a good idea to have your water and wells periodically tested for barium.